My name is Jesse Moton. I'm the shop supervisor for the machine shop here at Preston Eastin. So the application we use the FlexCNC for is our product line of transporters for the robotics industry. We call them tracks, but in the industry they're called transporters. They are to maneuver and move robots from one point to another down a linear motion, whether it's welding, painting, or any other application that they want. They decided to purchase FlexCNC to get their foot in the door in the robotics industry. There's a lot of competitors that we have out there that are building complicated systems, and we wanted to be part of that industry. So the best feature of the Flexes are the overall links. You can do big parts to small parts on them. The widths are outstanding. We do a lot of big product here, so that helps us out tremendously. The Cat 40, which is a normal within this industry in CNC, the Cat 50, on the other hand, is a little bit more beefier. It'll take more stock off at a quicker pace. The drilling applications, which were originally developed for Flex by Flex, we could push and plunge drills quicker than we ever have. So drilling cycles have been cut in half, tapping cycles as well.